Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be walking from Trinity Beach to Serenity Beach, which is at the back. It's around about a 5-minute walk. It is around 4 p.m. in the evening. It's very hot, it's very sunny and I can't see anything. But anyways, hope you'll enjoy this video. Okay, so I walked a bit from Trinity Beach, but that light post is the Trinity Beach. It is right now very hot, very sunny, but this is one of the fortunate days where it isn't raining, because it's been raining every day for the past 5 days. It's absolutely good, but also horrible for me because I can't go out and film videos. So yeah, as you can see, not a lot of people, because well, it's very hot and people are expecting it's going to rain, but according to clouds, we do not have anything inside. So that's good actually. And if you are new here, to the new people, if you are new here, do subscribe, because I actually live over here for the time being and I am planning to make a lot of more videos about Goa. You know, driving time lapses, walking tours and other informational videos are coming along the way. So why not subscribe? You know, why not miss it? So yeah, walking towards this. That's the beach. It's very close by. It's basically a 5-minute walk. There are lots of boats on the beach, because it's one around those times where the fishermen are preparing to go out during the night. So they are doing all the prep right now. So yeah, the beach is massive, as you can see. It is massive. It's absolutely beautiful, and there's a little bit of a river over here. Now I will try to show you on Google Maps of how this place looks, but yeah, stuff from there flows all the way through here and there. So let me go and dip my let me do some treacherous exercise and walk and see if it's actually not that bad. It's like, yes, it is refreshing, and the current is not that strong. Alright, enough of that. So yeah, as you can see, the shacks have not yet come, because this is basically not the season for them. They usually come in around October, usually during the new year, usually October. So yeah, lots of fishing boats. I don't think if we can check them out. I mean, yeah, they are people over there. So yes, that's how it looks, you know. Yeah. And also, if you haven't noticed, I have bought an external microphone. Yes. Now, if I've set it up right, it should record some crispy clean audio, even though it's blowing. The wind is there, as you can see, the flag is moving, so there is wind. And if you can hear absolutely nothing, I mean the wind noise, then it's doing a great job and I have spent my money well. But if y'all can, well, that's unfortunate. So yeah, that's the kind of an investment I'm trying to put into this channel. So if you are still new here, do subscribe, as I'll try to improve with every video that I post. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, as you can see, the guards are present, the cleaners are doing the job, the guards are watching. You cannot go to swim at this time because the sea is rough. I mean, it doesn't look that rough, but actually it is rough. So yeah, that's it, that's how it is. And also I will put locations of these buildings that are passing by. I don't know if they are a restaurant or whatever it is, but I'll try to find it on Google Maps and see. So let me take a look at the back. Massive, the beach is massive.